Hello, my name's Martin Gurdon, and I'm a motoring journalist who wrote a book called Hen and the Art of Chicken Maintenance about sex, death and chickens. Fast forward about a decade, and I've now knocked out Doing Bird, about a year in the life of our garden. It's a sort of sequel to Hen, and it still has the sex, death and chickens, but adds foxes, plagues of rabbits, births, builders with firearms, deviant ducks, doves who need parenting lessons, and so on and so on.
Anyway, if you'd like to hear a bloke with a chicken called Sarkozy giving a talk about all this nonsense, we'll be at Clapham Books at 7 p.m. on Thursday, April the 4th, and it will be good to see you.